Hey, have you noticed your Honda key gets warm after you've been driving it for a while? It's usually the key interlock solenoid that's causing this, which is part of the ignition. And usually these are part of a steering lock assembly, like this is a typical one right here. And basically what happens is the solenoid in there energizes when the vehicle's in drive, and it's there to prevent you from being able to take this key out while the vehicle's in drive. And so the heat from the solenoid is transferred over to the metal in the key, and so when you pull it out you can feel that it's hot. Perfectly normal operation on a Honda, so don't go firing any parts at this thing. You're not going to fix it. This is how Hondas work. In any event, hey, if this video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.